Hello all, welcome to Developing Success. So today I have come up with the chapter 6 tree cover of the India State of Forest report, and this tree cover chapter we also talked about some of it in the chapter 2 of the forest cover also. So the forest cover and tree cover has a small difference. If you take the forest cover, they have accounted all the trees plus the shrubs plus the herbs and only those areas which are actually some hectares. We'll just talk about it. So see, in the National Forest Policy of 1988, it was said that the aim of the country should be around 33% of the area should be brought under forest and tree cover. Okay, so if we talk about the forest cover, we have completed the thing in chapter 2, and in the forest cover assessment included all areas more than 1 hectare in extent. So if some area is more than 1 hectare and it is including trees and herbs and shrubs, then only they are accounted in the forest cover. But we have some areas like we have tree cover which are in patches, which are in very small patches and in very small groups which do not cross the criteria of this 1 hectare. So that they have actually calculated separately in the tree cover chapter. So in the tree cover, we will be reading that small patches of trees which are less than 1 hectare in extent, and they can be found in villages, in your home gardens, along the side of the roads, along the side of the canals, the scattered trees here and there in your countryside, in your city, the trees which are on the divider of the roads which are present there, which are in patches and less than 1 hectare area. So all those will be covered in this tree cover chapter. So the total tree cover in the country is actually 95,027 square kilometer, and there is an increase from the 2017 report, and the increase is 1212 square kilometer. So if we talk about the highest tree cover, the highest tree cover is found in Maharashtra. Listen to me, that this highest tree cover, if I am saying, this tree cover accounts for both the forestry also and the outside forestry also. I mean the 1 hectare also and the more than 1 hectare already calculated in chapter 2 forest cover also. So total overall calculation, if we do, Maharashtra has the highest tree cover in the country, including both forest and outside forest. Madhya Pradesh is the second, Rajasthan is third. Mind you, this Rajasthan, because many of us just relate Rajasthan to the desert area, so many of us just forget that the third most important for the tree cover is Rajasthan, and the fourth is Jammu and Kashmir. So this will be an important point, just remember it. And if we talk about percentage wise, then the 22.34% of the Chandigarh Union Territory is only covered by trees. So if we consider Chandigarh as a 100% area, its 22.34% is just tree cover, both inside and outside forest. Delhi is the second one, 8.73% of the whole Delhi state is under the forest cover or the tree cover, we should be saying. And the Kerala then is on the third, and Goa on the fourth. So these three are important, Chandigarh, Delhi and Kerala. And the largest tree cover we have Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. Once again I am telling that this data, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, this is including tree within the forest also and tree with outside the forest also. If I talk about forest, then India State of Forest report tells that the forest is that area where the trees and the herbs and the shrubs are present in more than 1 hectare area, and where the area is not 1 hectare, they do not consider it as a forest. So we can consider those areas trees outside forest, that is TOF. So this data is TOF plus F, forest and outside forest. Now we move on to this chapter, which is giving just one data, the tree outside forest. So tree outside forest, the highest is present again in Maharashtra, but here the second one in Odisha. Overall second was Madhya Pradesh, and here overall second is Odisha. Third state where trees outside forest is the third largest, and that is Karnataka, and overall third largest is actually Rajasthan. Now in the terms of percentage, the highest percentage of tree cover outside forest area is present in Kerala, second is Goa, and third is Nagaland. So this is the data. So if you don't remember too much of data, just remember about Rajasthan in this lecture, and also about the tree outside forest data. So the tree outside forest is highest is present in Maharashtra, and if we also calculate the whole tree cover including the forest cover and outside the forest, it is Rajasthan. So it is it is Maharashtra. So it is easy to remember because both the data says that it is Maharashtra with the highest tree cover, and outside tree cover, outside forest, Odisha is the second and Karnataka is the third one. So this is all about this chapter, chapter 6 of tree cover, and we'll meet in the next chapter of chapter 7. Thank you.